Hi guys, so today I'm trying to fix this solder mask. Um, this support for the head that is broken. As you can see here, it's a lot of tape and yeah, it's all broken. I have here a new one, so I need to replace it. And the mask does not work. Here we have a LED blinking low battery, so I think I need to replace the battery inside here. I done that before and it should be easy. So first I will try to replace the battery, it's easier, and then I put the new support. Okay, so let's go. I done that before, but not with this model, and with other brand, but it should be the same. Okay. Okay, this model is even easier. I replaced for other brand, the popular brand, but I don't know, but it's harder because the batteries are soldered to the board. This one you can replace easy. So let's try to remove the batteries. If you will going to do this in the future, you need to buy these batteries. CR2450. Okay. You need to buy two if your model is just like this. I need to break this. With this it's much easier. Okay, it is battery like this. Okay, I think I just have one, but I will see. I have here old ones. I don't know if they are all bad. Okay, this is the ones I replaced before. Okay, look, they have spot welder. They are soldered to the board in here too, as you can see. I don't know if this one is good or not. I will check with the voltmeter. I need to buy more of this, but right now I don't have it, so let's see. This is the one I removed. Zero volts. 3 volts, this one is good. And this one. 3 volts too, so I think these two are good. This one is bad, as you can see. I don't know if you are seeing or not, but this one is not good. This one is not good too. This is the one I removed. I'll do 2. But these 2 I think are good. 3 volts and 3 volts. I think they are good. We'll see. Okay. Let's check this one. Just curiosity. 2.73 volts. It's a low voltage. Let's see, this one is good. 3 volts, yes. I will put this one. This one I will not put. I will put the new one. I think that these batteries are used in the LED strips, on the remote control of LED strips. As I remember, I don't know if I'm right, but I think so. That's good. This one is good too. Let's check if everything is okay. So I check and it's good. Okay. Okay. Like this. Position. Okay. Okay. Now everything is good. I just replaced the batteries. We don't have the low bat LED. I tested and it's good. So let's put this head support. Let's see if this will fit. Let's put this one over here. Okay. Okay, I think it's good. Let's check in my head. Okay, so it's done, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.